Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I believe you are doing great by the grace of God. Today, guys, we are making a very short video and a very short recipe. We are making evaporated milk, and it's so quick, it's so easy. So relax as I take you through these simple steps to achieve a very creamier and rich evaporated milk at home. Without further ado, let's get to the kitchen and make a very rich and creamier evaporated milk. All right, let's get started. So all you need is full fat milk or whole milk, because this will make the end result rich and creamier. Now, guys, let's check the thickness of this milk and see if it's watery or liquidy or it's like the store-bought milk. Look at that. I love the consistency. It's so thick like the store-bought, if not better. I love the color. It's so rich. It's so creamy. It tastes so good. I love the taste. It's so sweet. Even though I didn't add any sugar, I love the taste of it. I'm so blown away. So now we're going to compare the homemade evaporated milk and the store-bought evaporated milk. Look at that. The thickness is like the homemade one, guys. If I'm being honest here, or what do you see? Just let me know in the comment section below, okay? Because we are all learning here, all right? I'm so impressed and I'm so loving this. Now let's use a spoon to check the thickness of both milk. The first one was the store-bought one, and now this is the homemade milk. Wow, not bad. It's time to pour the homemade milk in a jar to be kept in the fridge. I love the taste, guys. I love it. It's so sweet. I love the taste. There's no sugar, but it's so sweet. Look at that, guys. So my breakfast is ready. And what better to use than your own homemade evaporated milk? Oh, yum. This is so tasty, guys. I'm really impressed, and I'm sure you are inspired to give this a try and bring me the feedback. Thank you all for watching, and see you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and keep safe. If you are new, subscribe and join this family. You will never ever regret it. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for liking. I love you all. Bye bye. Stay blessed. Enjoy. Mwah.